Hey, don't mean to rush you, but time's a ticking.
Every day is like that. Every day. Well, that's not true. But today, the boy wanted egg salad, and he's been asking for it for days. I've been craving egg salad, which is so funny. We just had egg salad about a week ago, so I'm not sure what the deal is, but we were over at a friend's house, and that's where he had it, and he's been wanting it again ever since. So here we go. Finally picked up some freshly laid eggs. We have been not getting these for a while because my egg lady is no longer delivering to our area. So I had my sister pick these up for me, which has been great. I'm using 6 eggs, and I'm not just going to Instant Pot them by themselves. I am going to break them into a heat safe, Instant Pot safe container.
What's the advantage of doing that?
Then I don't have to peel eggs. I hate peeling eggs. Mind you, pressure cooking eggs and using the sous vide device to make soft boiled or hard boiled eggs has made life so much easier. But to make egg salad, this is way faster than having to peel eggs even.
Let's do this.
I know, let's do this. Okay, I have this, it's called Misto, and it sprays on oil. So I'm just gonna pump this a few times. And it just sprays a fine mist as opposed to using oil by itself because it'll just pool, right? Kind of like Spam.
Kind of like Spam. You said it. Spam.
Kind of like Pam. Remember Pam?
No, I don't need to remember. They still sell it, dude.
Okay, Pam that comes in a spray bottle. Same type of thing, except this is just your regular vegetable oil or whatever oil you decide to put in here.
And non-aerosol.
Non-aerosol. So I'm just gonna break my eggs into the bowl. I'm using 6 eggs. You know what, fresh eggs, the shells are harder, so it's a little bit harder to crack. Like the ones you buy in the store are not, hard like these. The shell is much softer. I already have a cup of water in my pot with the trivet, and I'm going to put these little, they're just aluminum foil that I folded up to act as slings, because when you try to pull out your trivet after it's been whatever you're cooking, it just gets hot, and there's no way that you can like grab the handles when it's like piping hot. Although dude would try.
I would totally go for it.
And then hot, 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 hot.
I think this is one of those tips that you mentioned in the previous video.
Yes.
And I will link it to my blurry finger in the corner.
Mm-hmm. Some people have told me that you can actually get like silicone handles or silicone trivet or whatever.
You know, the market for third-party accessories for the Instant Pot pressure cooker has exploded in the last number of years.
Yeah.
So if we find a link to that on Amazon, we'll put it in the description below.
Okay. I just haven't bothered
to test them out yet.
Yeah. All right, so I'm going to put my eggs in. I'm going to cover it with a silicone lid, but you don't have to. I just don't want the liquid to drip onto the eggs when I pull it out. And what else do I need? And it also actually prevents my little foil slings from touching the egg. All right. Still can't do this backwards. Locking my lid into place, and I'm making sure the sealing knob is on sealing. We're going to pressure cook this for 5 minutes. And that's it. Super simple. And then we'll get lunch on the table in no time. Remember, every tool that I use in my videos can be found in the description below, and when you buy off our links, it actually helps our channel. Okay, we just quick released the pot. See how there's all this liquid on top? I just didn't want that on my egg. So pull pull these out. And I'm gonna take this lid off.
Ooh, weird.
I found that the egg wasn't completely cooked through, so I put it in for another 2 minutes, so altogether 7 minutes in the Instant Pot on high pressure. Because you want it to be solid, like not jiggly. Earlier it was still jiggly in the middle, so I think 7 minutes total would be a perfect amount of time. Although, I don't mean to confuse, but when I make this with my potatoes for potato salad, I only take 5 minutes, so I don't know what the deal is. Just saying. I'm hoping this will pop out. Whoops. I didn't all come out in one loaf. That's
almost
fine.
60%. 2/3.
Well, this is not very attractive, but that's fine. It's just becoming egg salad. I'm just gonna take the rest of this and put that in my egg salad bowl as well. It's just chopping up the rest. See, it's like it never happened.
You see, the importance of the presentation lasted for a whole 2 seconds.
I mean, I don't want people to get hung up on the fact that the loaf didn't come out completely in one piece. I also chopped up 1 stalk of green onions, and you can use more if you want more. You don't have to add it at all if you don't want it at all, but the kids don't mind it, so I add just 1. Now the egg is still warm, and you can cool it down if you want. I don't mind that it's warm, so I'm just gonna keep going, but it's up to you. I'm gonna use about a 1/4 cup of mayo, and again, you can use more or less. I just want the egg pieces to hold together. I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt, and just mix well. That's it. Super basic.
Hey, would you consider jazzing it up with some Spam?
You know what would be really good in here though? Bacon.
Yes.
I don't know about Spam. I'm just giving you a little bit. Just enough for
The taste. The taste. So, as in real life, not everything goes to plan. This was supposed to wind up in the kids' lunches before the boy gets shipped off for his soccer game. However, not enough time, so it's just me doing the taste. I'm a big fan of egg salad, always have been, and being able to do it faster, even better. Straight up egg salad, creamy, mayo-y. Is that a word? Tasty.
It is now.
And
You heard it here, folks. Mayo-y.
I think we should level up with some Spam, or at the very least, the other pork product, bacon. But
Bacon would be yummy, I think.
straight up, it's really great. Bread, pita, whatever, carbs or no carbs. Put it in a lettuce wrap, whatever you want. It's really tasty.
Great.
Simple to taste this time.
Wow. Shocking. Thanks, dude. All right, super basic egg salad recipe. You can jazz it up however you like. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel below. Check out my other videos down there. And till next time, be simple, ordinary, and joyful.
How was it?
Good.